photography and videography enthusiasts, get ready for an earth-shattering announcement. Sony, a global leader in imaging technology, is preparing for a major press event, with multiple reliable sources confirming that the much-anticipated reveal will take place on February 26, 2025, at approximately 3 to 4 p.m. London time. This event is expected to be one of the biggest announcements in the camera industry, as Sony is rumored to unveil its next-generation full-frame mirrorless camera, the Sony A7V. After months of speculation, leaks, and industry buzz, it appears that the wait is nearly over. The CP Plus 2025 show, a premier photography and imaging exhibition held annually in Japan, serves as the perfect backdrop for this major product reveal. Sony has a history of strategically timing its camera launches, and considering a newly registered camera in China back in December 2024, the typical 4-month timeline suggests that the Sony A7V will be announced soon, possibly before April 2025. The Sony A7V is expected to be a game-changer, boasting revolutionary sensor technology, enhanced video capabilities, and AI-driven autofocus advancements. This video will delve into every leaked detail, expected features, and how the A7V could potentially dominate the mirrorless camera market. The evolution of the Sony A7 series. Why the A7V is a major leap. Sony's A7 series has consistently pushed the boundaries of full-frame mirrorless technology since its debut in 2013. With each iteration, the A7 lineup has introduced groundbreaking innovations, solidifying Sony's leadership in the industry. Here's a quick overview of the previous models. Sony A7, 2013. The pioneer of full-frame mirrorless cameras, bringing professional imaging into a compact form factor. Sony A7 II, 2014. First to introduce 5-axis in-body image stabilization, IBIS. Sony A7 III, 2018. Market disruptor, featuring unmatched battery life, dual card slots, and incredible low-light performance. Sony A7 IV, 2021. Hybrid powerhouse, delivering 33MP resolution, 4K 60p video, and real-time autofocus enhancements. With the Sony A7V, we can expect a revolutionary leap in image resolution, dynamic range, AI-powered autofocus, and cinematic-grade video capabilities. Let's break down the most anticipated features of this upcoming mirrorless beast. One of the most exciting aspects of the Sony A7V is its rumored IMX366 sensor, a 44-megapixel full-frame back-illuminated CMOS sensor designed to deliver breathtaking image quality. This sensor is expected to introduce several technological advancements. 44MP resolution ensures incredible sharpness, fine details, and cropping flexibility without losing image integrity. Ideal for landscape, portrait, and commercial photography, where high-resolution images are essential. Back-illuminated design, BSI, significantly improves light-gathering efficiency, leading to better low-light performance and reduced noise. All-pixel readout mode enables superior color accuracy and detail retention. Advanced line binning techniques improve dynamic range and reduce digital artifacts. All-pixel simultaneous reset technology minimizes rolling shutter distortion, ensuring cleaner images and video with smooth motion capture. Electronic first curtain shutter reduces shutter lag for precise image capture. Sony is also expected to improve color science with the A7V, delivering more natural skin tones, improved white balance, and richer tonal gradation, making it a powerhouse for professional photographers and content creators. For filmmakers and content creators, the Sony A7V is shaping up to be a dream camera, packed with high-end video features that rival professional cinema cameras. Here's what we can expect. The ability to record full-frame 4K at 120 FPS without crop is a massive upgrade, allowing for ultra-smooth slow-motion footage. This feature is particularly beneficial for cinematographers, action videographers, and sports photographers. Sony's Bionz XR image processor ensures fast, efficient processing with minimal lag. 74.2 MHz input clock frequency for superior data handling and image rendering. Expanded dynamic range and low light performance. 14-bit RAW recording and 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording for professional post-production flexibility. Dual-gain ISO technology enhances low-light sensitivity while minimizing noise. These enhancements position the Sony A7V as a serious competitor to professional-grade cinema cameras, making it a perfect choice for high-end productions and YouTube creators. Sony has led the industry with its cutting-edge autofocus AF technology, and the A7V is expected to raise the bar even further. The camera will likely feature AI-driven subject recognition and real-time tracking, ensuring unparalleled accuracy and responsiveness. AI-driven real-time IAF for humans and animals, ensuring perfect focus in portrait and wildlife photography. Improved motion tracking for fast-moving subjects, ideal for sports and action photography. Enhanced subject recognition and scene detection for AI-assisted autofocus precision. With these enhancements, the A7V will be a game-changer for photographers capturing weddings, wildlife, sports, and street photography. A camera this powerful requires high-speed data transfer and connectivity options. The Sony A7V is rumored to include 16-lane SLVCC interface for blazing fast data transmission between the sensor and processor, faster Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity, ensuring seamless wireless image transfers, USB-C 3.2 with power delivery, PD, support, allowing for fast charging and tethered shooting, enhanced Sony Imaging Edge app integration for remote camera operation and live streaming. The Sony A7V is expected to be priced around $3,000 to $3,200, similar to its predecessor, the Sony A7 IV. This price point places it in direct competition with cameras like Canon EOS R5, Nikon Z8, Panasonic Lumix S1H. Given its impressive specs, the A7V could emerge as the most well-balanced camera for professional photographers and videographers seeking a perfect blend of resolution, speed, and video capabilities.